Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do our mini Mondays and the Halloween Mania challenge. But before we get started, I want to show you guys some of the new things that I have that will be in my shop. So we have a couple of 3D printed challenges and a Wicked theme challenge. So I'll start with the Wicked theme challenge. It is here. And there's also there's two different game boards that you can get. It's either going to be based on the denominations that you want. It will be 1 through 25 or 1 through 15. So your 1 through 15 on your game board is going to have 1 through 6. And then your 1 through 25 on your game board will have 1 through 10. And then it will come with 10 of these cards. They have 2 scratchers each on them. And based on the denominations that you choose, the numbers under here will be different. And this is my game that I did enter into Beijing Girls Budget's community challenge that she has. So I'm super excited about that. That is on my Etsy shop. And then we have a couple of 3D printed games. So this first one is going to be for some spiders. You're going to collect all the spiders. You'll get a bag of 3D printed spiders. It won't come in this blue bag, but it will be a black bag so you can't see like this one. But you'll have 10 little spiders that will each have a number written on the bottom of them. So you will pick them out of the bag and then you will write the number down and save that amount. So that's the spiders. We have, I know it's a little late for Halloween, but like this just came to me not that long ago. So we have some bats. Let's see. These are what they look like. They're cute little flexi bats with red eyes. These don't have numbers on the back yet, but they will. And then we have a mummy challenge. And those guys will look like this. They don't have anything written on them yet, but you will get 10. So it'll have numbers 1 through 10 on them. They will be written on the bottom. And then we have one more, which is some cute little vampires. So these are what, oh, that's the bat. These are what the vampires look like. They are super cute. And so I'm definitely going to be playing playing 1 or 2 of these so far, coming up soon. So that is what I have new for my Etsy. Okay, so now that we got that all cleaned up, I am definitely going to be playing the Wicked game in one of my 3D printed games in our debt binder, which will be later this week. So today we're going to do our mini Mondays. We have 51s as usual. And then I have all right, we have our 7 challenges. I know I keep saying I'm going to go back down to 6, but I have not yet. We have our buyback 5s and 10s off to the side. I'm thinking that I might shuffle these up next time, just randomize them. But we're going to start off with number 5 here. And let's get started. Since I fear that this might be a longer video because of the Etsy items. And then we're going to do our Halloween Mania challenge after this. So I'm filming this on Sunday just so I can get it edited and up on Monday in a timely manner. So how was everybody's weekend? Mine's not too bad. Ran a couple errands, doing some laundry. You know, all the adulting things that we just don't feel like doing on the weekdays. I'm hoping that I can maybe take a day or 2 off of work sometime soon just to catch up on all the housework and stuff. And catch up on some videos. And I am super excited that I have made it to 100 subscribers. I'm super happy. There is you'll see it in my community post, there is a free mini box challenge. So I do want to start playing that soon. So I'm super excited. I can't believe that I'm already at 100. So I'm super excited about that. All right, we got just a few more left. All right, we got 3 more. Let's see what we can get. And that is a 1. We'll see how many that. All right, so we're gonna start off at 5 again. So I do have one more video of my reallocations coming soon. I just haven't figured out when I wanted to post it. But yeah. So let's see. Our first challenge comes to us from Budget with Carly. And today we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we'll still have 1 rollover. Unfortunately, let's see. Back. All right. So we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. All right, altogether so far we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Perfect. We'll go ahead and swap that out. And we still have our $1 rollover. Might take that out. I'm not sure yet. But I am also excited to start the new Halloween Mania challenge. If you haven't noticed a theme with a lot of my things on Etsy and everything like that, I love Halloween. That is top tier for me. That is my favorite holiday. So for our 30 envelope challenge helper, we are on envelope 18. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Are we going to get 8 again this time? So far we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we just need 5 more to finish this one. That's exciting. We are coming to the end of this 30 envelope challenge. I think once I get maybe to 15, we'll stop using those cards. Just because I like to have them in my mini Mondays, so it makes it a little easier to save them. So this is my Sam's Club from Kimmy's Budgets, Bajan Girl Budgets on YouTube. And each icon is $2. We have $1, $2, $3, and $4 today. This will work out because I had to go to Sam's this weekend, so I will need to pay myself back for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then, especially with the unknown of the government shutdown and the military currently not getting paid right now. So that's going to be fun. But I'm glad that I have started doing this, so that way we do have a little bit of a cushion just in case we don't get paid. So this next challenge comes to us from Budgeting with Lisa, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yeah. So it's always fun when the government does it. Last time our bank just paid us anyways, but this time they want us to apply for a 0 interest loan, which I'm not okay with because they're going to run your credit, which there's no need for that. So hopefully it doesn't affect our next paycheck, but we never know. I think I'm going to make, we have 4, 12, 8, and 12. I think I'm going to make each of these $2. So I'm going to do it this way this time. So that way I can just keep everything in the back instead of folding one or putting it in the front. And then challenge number 5 is a new one from Floating Funds. This has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I think I'm going to do each one as just 1. Was it 6? Okay. All right. Perfect. And I'm out of 5, so I might need to see what I can do for some 10s real quick. I will All right, sorry about that. So we got our next challenge here is from Budgets with Liz. This is also where I get my binder charms from. I do apologize for not mentioning that before. So today I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And let's see, how much do we need to finish this? So we got 2, 4, 6, 8. Ah, so close. So we just need 2, 4. We just need $5 more to finish this one. And so far it has saved us 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. Beautiful. And that one altogether will save us $32. So we should hopefully be able to finish that one next week. All right, and then our last challenge is... we're going to finish this one for sure. From Divine Savings Co. And no, that's what we had. And today it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we just needed, if I make each of those $2, that will finish it out for us. So altogether, this has saved us 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, and 31. How does that make sense? Let me count that again. 10, 20. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oops. It has to be, I must have miscounted somewhere, so it has to be 32. We'll just go ahead and make that 32. Our first challenge finished of October. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. It's exciting. All right. And then so to replace that one or not? I think we're not going to replace it because I want to get through these challenges as quickly as possible. So I will go ahead and clean up and we will get our Halloween Mania started. All right, so we're also going to put our dollar in our our completed savings challenge. And then so we are going to do our Halloween Mania. I have $6. I'm going to try to do this every day. I did forget to put a money envelope in here. I do apologize. We'll get that in really quick. So we'll put our $6 in, and I have $6 in prop coins. We're going to do it the same way we've been doing our tinies. I might, I was thinking of maybe replacing our tinies with this one, but we'll see how it goes. And then we'll just go ahead and continue with our D3, and we're going to start at number 1 because this is brand new. So I don't think we're going to finish anything today, of course, because everything is new. But I'm excited. I just love Halloween. I love all the spooky, love horror movies. So if you guys like horror movies, tell me what's your favorite one. Mine is Halloween. I love the Michael Myers. And my husband every year has dressed up as Michael Myers. All right, so we stopped at number 4, and we'll go ahead and put our paper clip on number 5. $6 goes pretty quick, so I'm definitely used to having my tinies as, oh my goodness, okay, so I'm definitely used to having my tinies as like $20. So this one here is from Becca Can Budget. And we're going to do each star as $1. We got $1.25. So we'll roll over the 25. I already kind of went through and decided what I wanted everything to be. So that way I didn't have to worry about that on camera. And then number 2 is from Budgeting with a Ginger. Each one of these, again, will be $1. My minis or tinies, whichever, will definitely be $1. This one got $1.25. So this will probably take us, I would say, a couple days to get a finished challenge, but that's all right. And I hope that we don't finish them all like the same time. It's kind of staggered. All right, so this next one is from Budget with Carly. It got $1, and each star and each jellyfish will be $1. So this one's gonna take us a while because I didn't realize how many actual icons there were, but that's fine. That's fine. And I haven't decided what I want all of this to go to just yet. I'm thinking possibly debt. Unless there's something that we really need to fund, then I think everything in here is going to go to debt for the month. All right, so we got $1.25. Each one of these letters is a quarter, so we can color in 5 of them. Perfect. And this one is from Budgeting with Lysandra. And then our next challenge is from Debt Free by 43. And I apologize, I'm terrible with remembering names. And some of you ladies just know everybody's first name. If it's not in their YouTube name, a lot of times I don't remember. I'm terrible with names. I can literally meet somebody, they introduce themselves to me, they tell me their names, and I instantly forget it. So each one of these icons is going to be $1. So we only got 50 cents. So I'm going to do a 1/ on one of them. So that way we don't have to have the rollover. And then number 6, this one is from Save with Glow. Each of the candy corns is $1. Or yeah. So we got 75. We can do a half of one. And we have 25-cent rollover. What's everybody's opinion on candy corn? I know that's a very controversial Halloween candy. I personally like the pumpkin candy corn. If I'm going to eat candy corn, the pumpkin candy corn is where it's at. All right, you guys. So we will do this binder again tomorrow. And I thank you guys for watching. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.